put in a cup each of flat leaf parsley and fresh basil, a couple of handfuls of grated Parmigiano Reggiano, and 1 fresh chili pepper. You need something to make it deviled. So I put in 1 red fresh chili pepper, whole lot of pine nuts, salt and pepper, couple of cloves of garlic, pop the lid on, whoops, turn that on, stream in your olive oil until it forms a thick pesto. Then stop, add your yolks, and pulse that together until they're combined. And then you put that into your plastic food storage bag, fill the egg up with your pesto, and top it with a little basil. I know, so cute, right?